guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video I got another wig review. Shout out to Diva Trust for sending me this wig. This is a wig by Bobbi Boss in the style Nora. I got her in the color number 4. She is 13x4 lace front wig, 2 combs in the front, the comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. If you guys are interested to see how I style her, please keep watching. Please hit the like button. Please interact with this video in any way, shape, or form. It really does help this channel grow, you guys. Thanks so much for your love, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.
Stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this, I won't fight like this. Yeah. Him and her and them over there. They looking over here, they giving me a stare like I could. No. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, I don't care what you say, cause really either way.
So you guys, this is my finished look for Miss Nora by Bobbi Boss, and I got her in the color number 2. Again, shout out to divatrust.com for sending me this unit. She is a 13x4 deep lace, so that means you have like 13x4 inches of parting space. Part her anywhere. I decided to just kind of keep her where she was at. Like, I think this is how it came, like with this part, like how the stock model, like how the model in the stock card has it. And she is very cute. She reminds me of Sensationel's Camille, I believe, by the Cloud9 collection, Camille. She is very similar to that unit in my opinion. She is supposed to be a glueless lace wig, but I feel like for me, like some of the lace was moving up, so I decided to glue her down a little bit. And yeah, like this is very cute. I didn't do no plucking, and I feel like the density of the hairline is very natural looking in my opinion. I do see this as being a long, like a everyday wig, like a long wear. Like you could get a lot of wear out of this one because it isn't long and it doesn't seem to get tangly at all. It is big head friendly in my opinion. The price for her, but I will leave it somewhere here in the screen. And also, if you guys are interested, I will leave the link to her in the description box. Let me know what you guys think about Miss Camille. She does have special colors. I was so tempted to order her in this purple one. I didn't do it. I just was like, let me try something more natural so my like viewers, they don't always want to be bold and shit. Do like an everyday natural looking wig, and this is definitely it. She is one of Bobbi Boss's new wigs that just came out. Again, let me know what you guys think. She is definitely very cute. I recommend her. I don't see any cons so far with her, but then again, I will update you guys on that because I do plan on wearing this one out because she is very natural looking and very cute. She is a winner in my book, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna wrap this video up because I still have to take the pictures and all that, so you know what it is. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't know, mama's getting hot. Got her bills to try.